Do you struggle to speak English in daily life? Learn these 10 simple sentences and start speaking today. These sentences are used every day by fluent speakers. Let's practice together. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel English Fix Daily. Let's improve your English speaking now. How are you doing? This is a natural way to ask someone about their day. Repeat after me. How are you doing? Awesome, friends. I am just getting started. Use this when you begin something. Repeat after me. I am just getting started. Well done. Next sentence. That sounds great. Use these when you like an idea. Repeat after me. That sounds great. Good job, friends. Next sentence. Let me think about it. Use this when you need time to decide. Say it after me. Let me think about it. Good job. Next sentence. I will get back to you. Use this when you will reply later. Repeat after me. I will get back to you. Awesome. Move on to next one. What do you mean? Use these when you don't understand. Repeat after me. What do you mean? Great job. Next one. That makes sense. Use these when something is clear. Repeat after me. That makes sense. Great. Next one. I am running late. Use these when you are late. Repeat after me. I am running late. Great, everyone. Move on to the next sentence. Can you help me? A very useful and polite sentence. Repeat after me. Can you help me? Good job. I really appreciate it. Use these to show gratitude. Say it after me. I really appreciate it. Great, friends. Now let's quickly review all 10 sentences. How are you doing? I'm just getting started. That sounds great. Let me think about it. I will get back to you. What do you mean? That makes sense. I am running late. Can you help me? I really appreciate it. Practice these sentences every day and you will speak English confidently. Comment your favorite sentence below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips.